an example on substitution. What we have here is a formula, and it gives you the values for uppercase R, lowercase r, and pi, and you're supposed to calculate the value of V in the formula. So pause the video, go ahead and work it out. Okay, good. You paused it and you worked it out. What did you get? Let's take a look at it. We have V equals. Now, if I should write the formula as is, I would have pi squared multiplied by uppercase R minus lowercase r squared divided by 2 multiplied by uppercase R plus lowercase r. Alright? However, now, what we have are values of R to substitute. So, let's do that. We have pi, which is 3.14. So let's get rid of this and write out 3.14. You don't necessarily have to do this. You could just write the numbers, but I'm just doing this for explanation's sake. Uppercase R, 22.8. So let me get rid of the uppercase R here and replace it with 22.8 because it's the same thing. It's equal to that. Lowercase r is 7.5. So what we have is 7.5, and that is squared. I didn't bother to write the 0 after the 5. Uppercase R again is 22.8. So I have 22.8 plus lowercase r is 7.5. Alright, so let's see what we have here. V is equal to 3.14 squared. Let's use a calculator and find 3.14. 3.14 squared, but let's do it this way. 3.14 squared is the same as 3.14 times 3.14, which is 9.8596. Could have said 3.14 squared like this, and I got the same thing, 9.8596. So I have 9.8596. That is multiplied by, and that's going to be 22.8 minus 7.5 squared. Let's find 7.5 squared. 7.5 squared equals 56.25. So that's 56.25 divided by 2. Then 22.8 plus 7.5. 22.8 plus 7.5. Say 8 and 5 is what? 13. Bring down the 3, carry 1. 7, 8, 9, and 1, 10. Bring down the 0, carry 1, 2, and 1, 3. So what we have is 30.3. Alright? Now, let's just simplify it one piece at a time. So we have 9.8596 multiplied by, then the 22.8 minus 56.25. We have 22.8 minus 56.25 equals negative 33.45. We have negative 33.45 divided by 2, and that's multiplied by 30.3. Alright? What is negative 33.45 by 2? Let's see. Where we have 9.8596 multiplied by, and then the negative 33.45. Let's put divided by 2 here, and what we get is negative 16.725. So we have negative 16.725 multiplied by 30.3. Now it's going to be a negative because we have a positive times a negative times a positive. So I know the answer is going to be a negative number. So let's just multiply them directly. We have 9.8596 multiplied by negative 16. Let's just multiply by 16.725. We know the answer is going to be negative already. That multiplied by 30.3, and that gives us 4996.52. 4996.52. 4996.52. Right. So, well, that's it for this question. So we have the answer here. We just rounded it off to 2 decimal places. They didn't tell us how many decimal places to round it off, but I just choose to 2 decimal places. So the answer is negative 4996.52.